Good morning, all of you. Once again, it's my pleasure to give you a weekly update of the Royal Academy Ajman. Last week, our students have completed their exams and they are all on spring break. We expect to begin the new academic year on the 14th of April. Meanwhile, the campus is full with the staff getting ready for the open houses scheduled for 22nd for kindergarten, 24th for the primary and 26th for the higher classes. We will start the distribution of the books from April 1st onwards. The staff will be going for a spring break for a week coupled with the Eid holidays. So many activities are also planned for the students at this same time. As part of the month of reading, the famous writer and educationist Dr. Ramanunni is interacting with our students. As part of the World Water Day celebration, there are certain online tasks assigned to our students. Our students are taking part in various inter-school competitions connected to the holy month of Ramadan, especially in Quran recitations. Even though they are away from the classrooms, they are fully academically oriented, and most importantly, we are hosting a spring camp at our campus for a whole week, inviting the students to take part in various events of their choice. It includes sports, art, literature, martial arts, and so many events including music classes. This will facilitate our students to enhance their extracurricular activities and to give a venue for their talents which can be improvised in the days to come. Thank you very much.